Hello, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock the Coinbase Wallet app. If you'd like to secure your Coinbase wallet using Face ID or fingerprint authentication, here's how to do it. First, open the app and tap on Wallet at the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the profile icon, the J icon at the top right. From there, go to Security. Under the Security section, start by enabling the security lock. If you're using an Android device, you'll see options for fingerprint or passcode. For iPhone users, you'll see Face ID or passcode options. Choose the one that suits you. Then, make sure to enable the Lock on App Open setting. Once this is turned on, every time you open the Coinbase Wallet app, it will require authentication via Face ID, fingerprint, or passcode. Let me demonstrate by closing and reopening the app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.